it in.
What's good, everybody? It's GM, and today we are going to unbox this Figurearts Zero Super Saiyan 3 Goku Dragon Explosion Fist exclusive from Comic-Con. So we can unbox this boy, and yeah, so let's unbox it right now, all right? Let's use the tape. Let's cut it open. Yep, they really make sure to package these. This was a Comic-Con exclusive, and it's Figurearts Zero. If y'all know what Figurearts Zero is, they make their Bandai Namco figures that they make, and Figurearts Zeros is the statue versions of the figures. Figurearts are mostly the articulate joint that you can make poses with, and they look more like action figures. Me personally, I'm more of a fan of Figurearts Zero because I love the statue looking figures. So we're gonna unbox this and we're gonna get it in. I bought this today at New York Comic Con, so this was a convention exclusive, and they really packaged it nicely, as you can see. And we're getting it in. Definitely getting it in. All right, let's go in. Now I gotta cut the sides. There you go. Getting it in. Okay, let's go. Cut. Yep. Time to show the figure now, guys. Gonna open the box. Whoa, this is a big box. Extra battery. Alright, guys. They make sure the package is right. It's kind of random they put it in a box like this, because usually they just give you the figure, but I guess they really want to protect it for me. That was the hard part. Alright, now we take it out. This is what the figure looks like. You guys can see. That's what it looks like. As you can see, the joint looks real dope. It's pretty big. You see? It's pretty big, pretty dope. And now we're gonna open it so y'all can see what it looked like. Alright, so let's see. Oh, this doesn't have no tape on it. So I can just open it. Doesn't have tape? Or it actually does have tape on it. Man, they really protected this figure. Box on top of box. Isn't that funny, guys? 2 boxes in one. They want to make sure that the customer does not break this. So this is my second Figurearts figure. My first Figurearts figure was the Chainsaw Man Denji figure. So I'm gonna open it. This is how cool the box looks, if you can see. See, this is the box. This is the back of it. See that? Oh, of course, the sides got tape. Now the other side. Tape on tape. The trials and tribulations of opening Wow, this is brolic. This is what it look like. You see? And now I'm gonna take it off the plastic. Whoa, this is really cool. All right, guys, and this is what the figure looks like. Put the joint next to it. See, that's what it looked like. What a cool figure. See, guys, how cool it looks? So this is it. This is the Super Saiyan 3 Goku from Figurearts Zero. This is exclusive battle. I think this is from the Fusion Reborn movie when he fights Janemba. But yeah, man, this is the new statue. Let me tell you guys what you think about the unboxing. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? Be sure to follow all the content, alright? fightinggm_Tekken. That's the Twitch. And everything else is fightinggm, alright? And what I can tell you is very detailed. It's heavy, and this is a straight statue. This is a straight statue. It's really dope. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And tell me what you guys thought about the video. And what y'all thought about me struggling to open in this thing. Because it was a struggle. But I had fun, and I hope you guys had fun too. And y'all could most likely, I don't know if y'all can get this online, because it's exclusive. But, you know, check out Figurearts Zero. And if you're in New York, go to Tamashi Nations and see what up, all right? So take care and peace out. Peace out, people.